Hello, I'm Kerry Hardman, Program Director for the Industrial Technician Program and Renewable Energy. A lot of people ask, what's an industrial technician? A person that works on electrical, mechanical, pneumatic, and hydraulic components. An renewable energy technician is a person that has the same skills but has a little more concentration in the areas of renewable energy. And we like to have some fun too. Now I said we'd like to have some fun. So one of the things we do is we get towards the end of the year, I get challenged the students, say, could you help Wile E. Coyote catch the Roadrunner? Now over the years, Acme Products have been trying to help him, but the Roadrunner keeps to get away. So he came to us and asked if we could help. So I challenged the students with the scenario, can they catch the Roadrunner? They use their skills that they've learned in pneumatics, hydraulics, PLCs, electronics, to see if they can set up an automated trap to catch a Roadrunner. He's a pretty elusive bird, so it's interesting to see what will happen. In the Renewable Energy Program, we try to give our students as much experience as we can to take care of things as they show up in the field, but sometimes things may not be as you expect it to be, and things will not happen the way you want them to, such as trying to lift an unbalanced or unsymmetrical load. But through the use of some simple mathematical formulas, we can get this down to where it's a very simple process. Hydraulics and pneumatics is another area of study. Although they think quite similar to each other, there are some slight variations and differences. And that's one of the things that we try to train our students to do so they can recognize and be prepared for these things out in the field. Electricity is another part where we spend a lot of time. Electrical can be very awesome and also can be very dangerous. So one of the things that students need to know is what to expect from a circuit. In order to do this, they have to know how it's going to function, what's going to happen. If not, you can have overloads, which can have some very damaging effects. In an industrial environment, a lot of times repairing something requires machining work. We give our students an introduction to machining so they know how to use all the tools to machine something. In fact, one of their projects they do is they use their skills to build a pneumatic cylinder. Some of the deployment our students have found have been, of course, wind turbines. We also have one that works in military weapon systems, malting plant, barley plant, pasta plant. We have one that works in a microbrewery, and another is a roller coaster mechanic. As our students go through the program, they write up many reports and papers. And in those, sometimes there's some inspiring quotes. One of those quotes is, I think all homes should have some sort of alternative electric. Another one of my favorites is, it's the air we breathe.